Alright guys, today we talk about the blues pentatonic, which is the minor pentatonic with the flat fifth or sharp fourth. Basically, we have to add a note, which is the blue note, to the minor pentatonic that we know already. Let's see now the 5 forms of the blues pentatonic, still in the key of A. This is the first form, starting on the 6th string, 5th fret. As you can see, we added the blue note on the 5th string, 6th fret, and on the 3rd string, 8th fret. This is the blue note. Let's see now the second form of the blues pentatonic in the key of A, starting on the 6th string, 8th fret. Blue note, blue note, blue note. Let's see now the third form of the blues pentatonic in the key of A. We start on the 10th fret of the 6th string. Blue note, blue note. Let's see now the fourth form of the blues pentatonic in the key of A. Blue note. And now let's see the fifth and last form.